I'm terrified of myself, this other part of me. Like I don't recognize how it feels when the switch flips inside of me. Telling lies to myself for my sanity. Maybe that's all I do, maybe I'm just a fool, maybe all of this was meant to be. Why do I wait so long?